Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. On Thursday and Friday, the following economic events able to impact market sentiment will be revealed. On Thursday, New Zealand will release its GDP change data for the fourth quarter of 2017. Economists project that economic growth has accelerated to 0.8% in comparison with the prior three-month period. New Zealand's economy is expected to show brisk growth in the last quarter of 2017, thanks to buoyant retail spending and business investment. In the third quarter, New Zealand's gross domestic product advanced by a seasonally adjusted 0.6% after an increase of 1% in the second quarter. On an annual basis, the economy grew by 2.7%. Strong GDP growth will be welcomed by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, but it is unlikely to alter its course given its determined focus on seeing previously tepid inflation settle around the middle of a 1 to 3% target band. On Thursday as well, the Bank of Switzerland will announce its key interest rate decision for March. Experts do not predict any changes in the benchmark rate of minus 0.75%. At the latest meeting in December, the Swiss National Bank kept interest rates on hold, and despite a brighter economic outlook and recent weakening of the domestic currency, the decision coincided with expectations. The franc remains highly valued, the bank noted, despite the fact that the overvaluation of the Swiss franc has continued to decrease. Economists say the Swiss Central Bank will watch how the European Central Bank's tightening progresses before following suit and expect Swiss interest rates to remain on hold until early 2020. On Friday, the USA will report on building permits for February. Analysts forecast a cut in gains to 1,325,000, or by 3.8% on a monthly basis. In January, building permits soared to their highest level since 2007. Building permits surged by 7.4% to a rate of 1.396 million units. Demand for housing is being driven by a tightening labor market, but rising mortgage rates and house prices could slow the momentum. Despite the unemployment rate being at a 17-year low of 4.1%, annual wage growth has not exceeded 3%. In addition to these events, on Thursday, the US is to release a string of economic reports, including data on jobless claims, import prices, and manufacturing activity in the New York and Philadelphia regions. On Friday, the Eurozone is to publish revised inflation data. Canada will report on manufacturing sales, and the US will round up the week with data on industrial production and consumer sentiment. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by Insta TV team. See you next week. Bye.